Hello everyone, my topic is about fire alarm system. Here is an introduction of fire alarm system. A fire alarm system detects and alerts occupants in case of fire. Uses control system engineering for automated monitoring and response, essential for public safety and property protection. Modern fire alarm systems integrate with smart home technology for enhanced safety. Regular testing and maintenance are crucial to ensure optimal performance. Here is the block diagram of fire alarm system. The identification devices, smoke detectors, and leak detectors. When it detects smoke or heat, it sends a signal to the control panel. Then the control panel turn on the notification devices, motors and sounders. Here is the electrical power supply, the main source of the control panel. And the communicating device we also call as monitoring system. And here is the key components of fire alarm system. Initiating device, smoke and heat detectors. Control panel, central processing unit. Electrical power supply is main and back. Notification device, motors and sounders. And communicating device, monitoring systems. And its working process of fire alarm system. Detection, it sensor detect smoke or heat and send signals. Processing control panel analyzes signals and activates alarm. And alerting is a notification device warn an occupant for evacuation. Communication, fire department's security receive alerts for action. And here is the application of fire alarm system. Residential buildings, early fire detection for home safety. Commercial buildings, offices, malls, holders, ensure compliance. Industrial plants, factories, warehouses, prevent equipment losses. Transportation hubs, airports, train stations, and subway vehicles, fire alarms for passenger safety. And healthcare facilities. Hospitals and clinics needs fire detection system to protect patients and staffs. And the advantage of fire alarm system: early detection, timely evacuation prevents disasters. Automatic activations, no manual intervention needed. Minimizes reduces casualties and property damage. Continuous monitoring, 24/7 protection with control panels. Regulatory compliance meets fire safety standards. And the conclusion, fire alarm systems are critical for fire safety and integrated technologies ensures for detection and response. Future advancements will enhance efficiency and reliability. Regular maintenance ensures long-term reliability and effectiveness.